Zebras, what else do you see? Giraffe and elephants. Yes, you can see elephants. Okay, I'll be careful. And look at that, there's another elephant is on the right side. So have a look at me. Okay, I can take pictures of places. Thank you very much. And now let's move on. Let's move on to the hippo. The hippos here, very, very heavy. That's 6,000 pounds. So they carry down our boat. And look at that. Wow, look at that. The hippo is coming. And there's another one. That's a point and now to the calm down forever. And now everybody, please keep quiet and don't make any noise. Here's a very dangerous place with a lot of storage. Here's the haphazard storage. That's too late. Look at our left-hand side. Left-hand side. You can see our friend, the baby elephant. And now let's try to fly to the baby elephant. Bye-bye. Okay, now guys, we have to go back to the dog. So everybody, remember, when we're going back to the dog, everybody please remain seated. We will sit to the left-hand side, left-hand side. Please remind your elbows and your arms, don't put them onto the balls. Hello, please mind your elbows. Now lady, please mind your elbows. Hello, please mind your elbows. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, now I have a last question for you. Guys, you enjoy the trip?
Yeah!
Thank you very much. Please remember me. My name is Mandy and I'm your skipper. But if you don't enjoy the trip, okay, never mind. You may just call me Peter, okay? And remember, when you leave my boat, please use the front exit and the back exit. Don't close my windows. Otherwise, you'll become a gorilla and need to eat bananas every day. I will send you back to the jungle, okay? And remember to take all of your personal belongings. Don't leave me any presents. Okay. Yeah? Yes, of course. Because he's very happy right now to see you, you know. Okay, now let's go back to the door. Please give me a few more seconds to stop my boat. Okay, my boat is completely stopped. You can leave me, hello, okay? Okay, guys, ready?